All right, everyone, how are you doing? Today's video, I thought I'd do a video on just showing you about how you can make reoccurring income with GetResponse. And the reason I want to show you this is because right now and moving forward, everyone is starting online businesses and they will need an email responder. It's just for the back end of selling stuff and following up with emails and stuff. So it's very important to have this. And this reoccurring method, people are making a lot of money from this, and it's reoccurring. I'll show you how to get started. So as always with my videos, let me start this video by saying, what will you learn in this video? Okay, how GetResponse reoccurring commission work, how to get started. Yeah, we'll talk about that. How to get your free trial. You have a 14-day, I think it's 30-day trial with GetResponse, and how to do this all without a website. There are people out there who don't want to do a website, which is fine, no problem. My connection might be a bit slow, so I might have to stop sometimes and restart, but there might be a few cuts here and there, but just please bear with that. But yeah, so basically this is GetResponse. So you sign up and you go here, you just sign up here for free, put your name and everything, and then you'll get this program. I wouldn't go for this one because it's one-off. I would go for this 33% because it's reoccurring. And then you can choose your program. So say if you go to GetResponse here. So let's go back here to the actual GetResponse. Login. You can sign. Oh, logged in here. This is my login. But basically, you're basically finding a program that works. So here it is, pricing. So you go to pricing, and it should come up. It's a bit slow at the moment. My internet's a bit dodgy. But is it not working? Hang on, I'll get back to you. All right, sorry. So I've got the pricing here, but before I start there, let me show you this. So first we need to know, what do people want? So people are after, they want some kind of need. Yeah, so you got to find that first. So this one is, for example, how to make money online. Yeah. So there's a lot of people searching for this. Now, what you want to do is, this is you're basically an affiliate for GetResponse. And then when people join, you get 33% of reoccurring as long as they're using the software. So people could have joined 2-3 years ago. If they're still using it, you're going to make that commission. So that's straightforward what it is. Now there's different packages you can buy. You've got basic, plus, professional, enterprise. Obviously, if you buy, you can do it 12 months, 24 months. So depending on how people buy it, if they buy it at 24 months, they might buy it in one go. So that means you'll get a big commission. So this, or monthly, if it's monthly, then you get 33% of $49. And if they get the bigger suite here, then you make a lot of money. Yeah. So that's basically what it is. But to be honest, you have to make content. This is how it works. You have to make content. You have to put stuff out there for your channel to grow, YouTube channel, advertise on your YouTube channel. Like if we go here to YouTube, we just typed in GetResponse. And just make, even like when you want to buy something, what do you do? When you want to buy something before a product, you want to check out their reviews. So you could do a review, you could do a tutorial, step-by-step tutorial, how to use GetResponse. Or simple, this is a simple review here.
Including autoresponders.
Okay, this one is
pages, and even an option to run your own newsletter.
A 4-minute review, and in here, she has her affiliate link, which should take me to GetResponse. There you go. See, follow this video, see what they're doing. Go to like GetResponse, copy this title, but change it. Don't completely copy it. Then you can get this software here called vidIQ. Tells you everything about what tags they are using. For example, let's go to this one. This one might be a bit better. So So if we click on here, he's given a review on GetResponse, and now look, he's got all these tags. So when you upload your video, you can just copy this, put it in, and it's more likely to come up here on his, when you're searching, when people are searching for GetResponse. So you can go through this, you can learn to GetResponse yourself, get comfortable with it by following these tutorials, and then you can do your own. And another thing you can do is I have a blog here where you can set up a blog and you can compare, like I've got all these products that you can compare, like quick click funnels, affiliate marketing, one of my mentors courses, Savage Affiliates, K-Money Mastery, the 24-hour book, so I'm reviewing all of these, web hosting. See, also I'm an affiliate with these web hosts, right? So if people click on this, or even this Bluehost, if they click on this and they get a domain from it, I get a commission from like £50 a day to however much, £100, depending on how well you're doing. And then you've got a little thing here with here. I got GetResponse, so I've got affiliate links here, LinkedIn, so reviews as well. So you can build this up slowly, and this will start making you money as well with keywords and stuff. So you can use softwares like Key Search here. So you have Key Search, so you can type in it how to make money online. Then here it shows you how many hits and also shows you how hard it is to rank. So this is quite hard to rank. So you can try and find ones that are green. I mean, this is a hard niche. For example, this is a green one, how to make money now. So you can rank pretty easily for this. So if you got a word like this in your web page, then that will help your rankings as well. But I'll do a separate video on that. But yeah, guys, you just open up a GetResponse. There'll be if you're interested, there's a link in my description and a link to my website. And if you feel, you just have to just start making a channel, literally, and just put review videos up. You don't have to show your face. You could just talk about it, get a good mic, and just talk about the software, GetResponse, do a little tutorial if you have to. And but you have to, if you want to make money, you have to start putting content out, quality content out, and just let it organically on YouTube start getting views, and people will start clicking on your affiliate links, and you will start making money. There's loads of people out there. There's about 4 billion people online, so you will start getting clicks and stuff. You just got to trust the process and stick to it, and just be disciplined every day. One video a day. It doesn't take that much. Get a screen capture. There's a lot of free screen capture software out there that you can use. I'm using Loom. It's completely free, and it does the job. So push forward, and just keep that discipline and keep going every day, and just keep making those videos. And I'll see you in the next video.